Hey guys, it's Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. We are here to show you our black and transparent bikini girls. I'm sure some of you will be excited about this pattern. Colors, obviously, black and transparent. You've got your brunettes where the black is. Some of the bikinis are gray. But yeah, it's black and transparent or monochrome, whatever you want to call it. We call it black and transparent bikini girls because we also have a color version of this. That's not released yet. That's for a later time, but if you're interested in that, you can always give us a call if you want it before it's released. Whatever base coat you want, we'll work with this, but I would stick with something lighter colored. If you go with something dark, they'd probably end up looking bald because their brunette hair would just clash with the base coat. Once again, I forgot to set my timer, so hopefully this was about a 1 minute soak time. Yeah, looks pretty good. Not a lot of ink there, so it shouldn't need a whole lot of activator. But we don't have the best lighting in here. Lighting is very important if you're doing this for a living, because it's so hard to see if you've activated properly without good lighting. All right, and there you have it. That is Bikini Girls, black and transparent Bikini Girls. It is a large pattern. Here's a quarter for size reference. That is not a part for, or a pattern for a small part. As you can see, I can barely get one girl on a whole speed shape. So it's a large pattern. That will be in the miscellaneous section. We also do have a couple of royalty patterns still. Smoking Skulls is one of our royalty patterns. I'm rocking it in my legging form today. China had these available. I guess they liked that pattern so much they just stole it and made leggings with it, but that's fine. I'll wear them. So those are in the skull section, and this will be in the miscellaneous section. And all of that is at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time.